Hi guys, this is Hari. Welcome to my new channel Boxidise. This was my first video, just getting started today. So please subscribe and turn the bell icon to get updated. In this video, I am going to unbox Leaf Dash 2 wired earphones and giving the review about it. In the last 3 lucky winners gonna get this. So stay tuned to the video and watch till to the end. Without delay, let's get started. So this is the package outside. At the front side it have its company symbol Leaf and the picture of the earphones, and at the side it has company's caption Binge with Leaf, and on the back side it has warranty registration QR code and a small story about their company and the details of the earphones. Its MRP was $9.99, and on the other side some specifications about the earphones. That's it on the outside of the box. Let's see what's inside the box. Now let's open the box. It has a small sticker with the company's logo at the bottom. Okay, let's see what's inside. Extra ear tips. Got another pouch. Let's open it. Got warranty registration card and Leaf app downloading card and user manual for Leaf earphones and earphones. These are the things inside the box. Let's see how the earphones was. They are good. They are with 10mm drivers. These earphones MRP was $999, but at the online we can get them at $600. The wire quality was good and it has 3.5mm jack. The ear tips which go inside our ear was slightly bent, so it was very comfortable for us. The earphones was total of 1.5 meters long. These earbuds are so smooth. I bought 2 of them. I was using them from the last week. They are so comfortable and they are so good at the price of $600. It is the best option to buy these. These are so comfortable at the ear. They have super bass effect. We can control our Siri or Google Voice Assistant with this button. It has only one button, multitasking button, and it has the microphone over here. It has the passive noise cancellation. So these are the good earphones which are best to buy. That's it about the earphones. As I told you before, I bought 2 of them, so I no longer needed them. I'm going to sell these at the discount price. To buy these, go to my Instagram. I will post the pictures and the price of these at my Instagram page. To buy these at a discount price, message me. At the start I told about the giveaway. So to participate in the giveaway, I will leave my Instagram account handle on the description. So go to Instagram, follow me and message me dash. 2 of the winners gonna get discount coupons worth 700. So go to Instagram, follow me and message me dash. Hope everyone enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon.